Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.1 question number 3. Use the figure to name. Question A. Line containing point E. B. Line passing through A. C. Line on which O lies. And D. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Right. First of all, line containing point E. Where is point E? You see this is point E. Right. This is point T. You see, this is the point T. This one is point E. Now, line containing point E. We'll find that line containing question number A we are solving. Question number A. Line containing point E. This is the point E, right? Therefore, we can say one line is AE. 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 AE line. AE, or you can write another way as EA. EA. This is one point A, one line AE or EA, and you have to represent the line by two arrows, right? AE or EA. Next one is you can write also BO. Next also BO, BE, BE, or or EB. You can write this one also EB. BO or EB line. This is line representation. B or AB. Next one is DE. 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 This is a line. You have to represent by arrow or ED. ED. Right. Therefore, these are the lines on which line containing point E. Right. We can name another one, that is FE also. Right. In line FE, line is FE, FE or EF, FE, FE or EF. Both are same, right? And FE or EF. These are the four lines on which point E lies, right? That is AE, BE, DE, and AD also, and also AD or DO, AD or DA, also AD, AD, or DA, or DA. You can write both the way, right? AD or DA. This is the solution of question number A, the line containing point E. Now B. Question number B is line passing through A. Line passing through A. That is question number B is line passing through A. Here A is the here A, this is a point, right? Line passing through A. That means we can write here as AE. AE. It represent a line, that means you have to give both side arrow. AE, then AD, AE, AD, AE, AD, AB, AB. You can write B also, line AB, AB or BA, same thing, right? That is AE, AD, AE, AD, AB, BD also, BD, 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 right? Or you can represent it also another way, that is AE is equal to, or you can write AE or EA. That you can also write, that is up to you, right? Or you can write AD or DA, AD or DA. Same line, we are representing the same line, AD or DA. Or you can write AB or BA. Here, all these line containing passing through A, right? Or BD. Or you can say BD, BD, right? Therefore, the A passing through A, line passing through A, there are 4 lines, right? Now, question number C. Line on which O lies. Line on which O lies. Now, question number C is line on which O lies. Here you find O is the point here. Here is O point, right? That is only one line, that is F4, right? Or OF. That is only one line you can write, that is OF, A4, A4, FO line represented by 2 arrows always, or OF, or OF, right? This is question number C, line on which O lies. Now D is two pairs of intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines means two pairs of lines intersect each other. This is intersecting lines, right? This is intersecting lines. Let's find two pairs of intersecting lines in question number D, right? Question number D. Question number D. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Here, this line intersect, that is A, E and C, FE. Here, point C, you can write in this way also, right? Question number C again we are doing, that is line on which O lies. O lies. The O is point, line on CO, but we write FE or EF, right? Here we will here we'll rub this one. We'll rub this one. Rub this one, and we are getting at question number C. This is not correct, right? Therefore, we can write here as question number C is what is question number C? Line on which O lies, right? Line on which O lies. Therefore, we can write FE, 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 or EF, right? EF, EF, right? That means in this line E is the question number C is line on which O lies, therefore it will not be the answer. I will rub it again, right? That is the question is here. Now you see again that line on which O lies, O means here this is O, that means it will be CO, right? In question number C it is here O is point here, right? Here you see that is it is CO or AC. It is CO, CO O lies, that means CO. We can write CO or OC. CO or OC line, right? CO or OC. You can name another way by BC or CB. By BC, O lies, line on which O lies BC or CB. Number 2 is BC line or CB or CB, right? Now question number D. Question number D. Two pairs of intersecting lines, right? Intersecting lines here, that is, this is the intersecting lines, right? This is intersecting lines. Now question number D, intersecting lines, that is two lines. That is, we can write AE and CB, right? So that is AE and CB are intersecting lines, right? Here question number D, that is AE, AE and AE and BC. AE and BC are intersecting lines. And what is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is B. We write here also point of intersection. Point point of intersection, we are writing point POINT, point of intersection. Point of intersection, right? Point of intersection is B, right? This is one pair of intersecting lines, and another point we will find AE and EF. Another line is another pairs of intersection line is AE and AE and AE and EF. AE and EF. EF. Okay. These are the two intersecting lines, and the point of intersection is E. Point of intersection, point of intersection, point of intersection, point of intersection is E point, right? This is the solution of question number 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.